How to change who can see your email on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see the menu on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, you can tap the menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down. And audience and visibility section, you can see here the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down and go to contact info. Here in contact info section, you can see the email. And to change who can see your email, so okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side of this email and the pop-up are show. And tap manage contact info. And you can see here the email and tap the email. And now here you can see the who can see your email button. Okay, you can tap this and go to change visibility on Facebook. You can tap this button and you can see the option. And you can change into public, friend, only me, or you can change into this person. So for my example, I change into only me. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the who can see on your email on Facebook. Okay guys, so you can refresh this to change. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed who can see your email on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.